Hello, how are you? Hey, what is going on everyone? This is Mitesh Chauhan from Technofunology YouTube channel. Welcome to my Technofunology YouTube channel. In this video, I will give you Brand Master, how is work. Doing this review is a detailed review customer bonuses that I know that guys and gonna love, and you can check those by clicking on the link down below in description on the link. If you click on that link, it is going to bring you through to my bonus pages that look like this. If you want to pick up Brand Master at any time during this video, simply get yourself to this page. Able to click on red button through my bonus page that will take you through to the sales page that will look like that and purchase Brand Master. When it is, all my bonuses disappear, and that is obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on because I spent long time putting these bonuses. You can get the best out of Brand Master now. All of these bonuses have created my salvage. They have exclusive to me. They are not going to be available for anybody. Click link apart from mine with go shop around OkGo and see what other people are offering in term of the bonus for Brandmaster, because I guarantee you are not going to find any better bonuses than ones I am just about to offer to you. So what is a Brandmaster all about? Brandmaster, so how to build personal brand and get unlimited traffic from Facebook using both free and paid traffic strategy in a way Facebook likes. Who is this for? You can be man or woman, young or old. You may have some experience or you can be a complete newbie with zero experience. This is a perfect for you. Why? You can skip all the gut-wrenching failure and waste of time, energy and money and jump right into making money. Even if you are already an experienced online marketer, you need to master Facebook. Would not it be great if you could build your brand, grow your email list as fast as you want and make money detail using the Facebook? This is for you if you feel like you have been long enough in online marketing business using a free traffic strategy and even make some money, but your income never get to the level you need to start living a laptop lifestyle. Use this training a program to build your brand, start making sales with organic traffic, and learn how to scale your business fast, spending just a $5 per day on a paid Facebook ad. Are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. It is a perfect for beginning, not teach skill and no marketing experience needed. You will create your Facebook brand funnel easily. Nothing to sell. You will get access to done for you automated income machine. You will start getting new likes, leads and sales daily. Watch how Facebook help you build your brand 24/7. Watch how your Facebook group generate you even more sales. Get free traffic from Facebook using other people's effort. You will start loving Facebook algorithm. I will personally guide you. Just imagine people ask you to teach them or join your team. Yes, when you use my simple strategy, you do not need to look for new clients daily. They will come to you and ask you to sell them your offers or service. Are you excited? This is what you will learn. Step 1. Learn how to create your Facebook brand funnel, including Facebook profile, business page, Facebook group. Step 2. Learn how you can use a Facebook penny like winning strategy and small $5 a day Facebook ads budget to increase your Facebook social proof and engagement. Your Facebook group is the final step in your Facebook brand funnel, and you will learn how to monetize your group and start getting sales on. Finally, discover how to increase social proof and engagement on your Facebook fan page, which result in more lead sales and profit. In this step-by-step video courses, You will get to watch over my shoulder as I show you things that can increase your Facebook social proof, engagement and conversation. In fact, you have all you need to make money online from the very beginning. You just need to have a proven system and a strategy that work. It is not even about the money you usually think. You don't have to make it work. The problem is much deeper. It is not that easy to make it simple. As an example, below you see what is inside of just one of the training module. So first is an introduction and how to create a brand funnel on Facebook. Building your brand funnel, create a business model first, pro hack to get more traffic and book a 30-minute call with free. Second module, how to use Facebook group to promote your business. Create a Facebook group to promote your business. How to get 400 new members per day using Instagram. How to increase your group engagement. To post engaging video for viral effect. How to leveraging other people's success. And Facebook page like winning strategy, quality versus quantity, setting up your FB page, Facebook privacy policy for your page, Facebook business manager must have FB ad manager as campaigning overview, how to create engaging content, images, getting social proof and engagement, how to use automation to post new content, how to spy on your competitor Facebook ad, FB ad creation, campaigning setting up your ad set, and FB ad creation, creating how to advertising on Facebook, automation tools and software, Facebook plus Neatly is equal to free traffic to your Bizop, Facebook plus Inboxer, Chatbox, and social Kickstart 2.0, Facebook live automation. Use profit funnel, your money machine. Get real traffic to make sales and grab your bonuses. So effortless FB profit, $2,000 in 20 minutes from Facebook, 5-figure freedom and profit cycle funnel. Effortless FB profit. Effortless FB profit finally reveals super simple effortless money making machine. Click this link to grab your bonuses now. And other $2,000 in 20 minutes from Facebook, 2K in 20 minutes with Facebook. Click to get a free access now. 5-figure freedom. 5-figure freedom. Click to get access free now. And last bonus is profit cycle funnel. Profit cycle funnel. This is the best affiliate marketing funnel on earth that made over 1 million in sales in less than a year. Step 1, click below to open 14-day click funnel trial account, and step 2, click below to import profit cycle funnel. Here what you get completely free. Bonus number 1, bonus tutorial, 0-hour work days, access 0-hour work days, get instant access to brand master and your bonuses. Bonus number 2, bonus tutorial, how to make $100 per day from your laptop with free traffic, get instant access to brand master and your bonuses. Bonus number 3, bonus tutorial, access what's selling e-commerce item, get instant access to brand master and your bonuses. Bonus number 4, bonus tutorial, access finder royalty free background track, get instant access to brand master and your bonuses. Bonus video 1 overview, finding offer to promote, applying for your link, getting a review copy, equipment, make your review, how to structure your review, when and how to upload, and rise and repeat, and then the next step. This bonus, this 0hourworkday.com training module, 0-hour workday guide, how to access upgrade, free traffic sources, trading traffic, buying traffic, recommended seller, lead capture page, collecting subscriber, affiliate promos, bigger commission sale, this. Watch the video of the brand master, get instant access to brand master and your bonuses, and front end brand master, $12.95 50% commission. The idea behind the Brand Master is to help you start using the power of Facebook to build your brand and grow your business fast and in a way Facebook like using both free and paid strategy. Audio number 1, 3D graphics pack, $27, 50% commission and $17 downsell. Say goodbye to tiresome work hours and expensive designer with this eye-popping 3D graphics pack and rack up engagement, conversation and sales like never before. Audio number 2, viral traffic quote pack, PRL, $37, 50% commission, $27 downsell. Want to go viral on social media? Grab this awesome collection of 150 plus higher quality and ready to use got images to engage your social media audience, generate an avails of viral traffic and boost conversation super fast. Audio number 3, from $0 to $300 plus per day coaching program by Gena Babak, $297, 50% commission. The idea behind from $0 to $100 per day coaching program is to show your proven strategy and daily action plan, which will allow you to start making real money fast, not spending time and money on building your list, creating new funnel or buying high ticket program. This is your shortcut to online success. Audio number 4, reseller right, $60, 20% commissions. Complete your set of reseller right by also picking up 100% reseller right to Brand Master. Sell it and keep 100% across the entire funnel. Get instant access to Brand Master and your bonuses. Total value $1,141. But today you are getting all of this as a part of the Brand Master. Now let me the sweeten the deal. Grab your bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, effortless Facebook profit, $97. Effortless profit, super simple effortless money making machine. See how you can make money with Facebook, ton of proof inside, as much more. Fast action bonus number 2, case study, $2,000 in 20 minutes from FB, value $197. How I made $2,000 in a 20 minutes with the FB groups. Discover how able to make $2,000 in only 20 minutes with a free traffic. Replace your day with only 1-2 sales a month. Learn the secret how gurus make 6-7 figures income without selling a lot, and much more. $197 price. Fast action bonuses number 3, 5-figure freedom, value $97. Bonuses number 3, 5-figure freedom, step-by-step method for building a 5-figure monthly income in less than 1 hour daily. This same plan that made Mr. X $1 million, this can make $5,000 per day and more, value $97. And exclusive bonus number 4, profit cycle course, value $997. Profit cycle funnel, this is probably one of the best affiliate marketing funnel on earth that made our 1 million in sales in less than a year. And you will automatically get access to this exclusive bonus when you buy Brand Master and log into your training area. It is a time you take action. Stop wasting your time and energy on doing things that don't work and don't make you any money. Use the Brand Master to get laptop lifestyle you deserve. This is a real countdown timer. The price will go back to $39 soon. Add to cart. 30 days money back guarantee. Again, thanks for taking your time watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and feel free to share this with your friends. Bye bye. Thank you.